Yesterday you completed research on 5 different animals. Now we're going to take that information and we're going to learn how to put it into a Google slideshow. So next to this video I'm going to have a link that's going to take you to your Google Drive. We did this earlier when we did our Google Doc and made our list. So you're going to click on that link and you're going to go over here to where it says new with the plus sign. And we're not doing a Google Doc this time. We're going to go down to the little yellow box that says Google Slides. When that opens up, first thing we're going to see is our title slide. So this is where we're going to add our title. So animal research. And then where it says click to add subtitle, that's going to be our name because it is our presentation. And we got to give credit to ourselves for doing it. The next thing you're going to see is over here on the side, it says themes. So basically this is like your background to make your presentation look good. Because when you're doing a presentation, this isn't something that we're going to print out. The whole point in a presentation is to show visually what you have learned. So we want to make sure that it looks good. So you can pick one of these along the side. Whichever one you want. I think I'm going to go with this one for right now. And you can change it later if you want. There's the word theme up here and it'll pop that box back up. But I'm going to get rid of it for right now because I'm going to go with that. So now I've got my title slide, but I need to add more slides because I need a slide for each animal. So I see a little plus sign right here. If I just click the plus sign, it goes on and makes me a new slide. And you see that this slide looks different than the first one. Some themes are pretty much the same throughout and some change. So if I decided I didn't like that, remember I could go back and change it. If I click the little drop down arrow next to the plus sign, I can see the different types of slides that I can make. For now, I'm just going to go with the slide that we have. But if I needed a different type, all I have to do is click that little drop down arrow. So, my title for this slide is going to be the name of my animal, Wolverine. Then I'm going to click in the text box down here, and this is where I'm going to type in the information that I researched. So the animal name is the title. So then I'm going to add the rest of my information. Endangered status, least concern. Endangered status, least concerned. And I hit enter to go down, and I'm going to continue to put my information. Habitat forest. And I'm doing the little dots, which is shift and then the semicolon, which is right next to the L. If you don't want to do the little dots, you could do a dash. You could do an equal sign. But there needs to be some separation in there so that I can tell that is the category that we are writing about. And I'm going to keep putting in my information. Then I'm going to add a new slide. I'm going to put in that information for the next animal. And in total, I will have my title slide, and then I will have a slide for each of my 5 animals. So I'll have 6 slides in total. Now, you are getting a grade on this. So this is how you're going to be graded. That you completed your worksheet. You'll get a 3 if it's fully complete, a 2 for mostly complete, a 1 if it's just a little bit complete, and a 0 if nothing is completed. You will get those same grades for the title slide, animal 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 slide. That you had a theme. That would pretty much either just be a 3 or a 0. You did it or you didn't do it. And that your presentation has spelling and grammar correct. You're literally just copying this off of the website to get your information, which it's spelled correctly there, so you should be able to write it correctly. So I want you to complete all of your slides, and then the next video is going to tell us how to add pictures and then turn it in.